Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly outlook and the weekly review all together. So let's look at the previous week delivery and what we can anticipate coming up into the next week. We opened opened low and high close on Monday. Tuesday was a continuation. Wednesday we set the high of the week, of the month, and the all-time high on Wednesday. Then we have been slowly going down through Thursday and Friday, and market open on Sunday, and on Monday we're still going down. Looking at this profile and going to the daily chart over here, we see excuse me, we see that NASDAQ made a swing high on a daily chart and closed below this bullish fair value gap, which indicates a bearish order flow. We also took an all-time high. So whenever a chart takes out an all-time high or a high altogether, the buy side liquidity, the next thing is to seek internal liquidity, which is an inefficiency, which you see over here, which is around a really important figure, 500. Let me go back to 101 over. So before I put the stuff on the lipstick, as you say, I want you to know that we have been going up throughout the previous 2 weeks, and I feel like we will be seeing lower prices throughout the upcoming week, or probably the whole of August now. So let me put on the stuff. There's a lot of stuff, but I'll explain it to you and it will get easier. So as you can see, we set an all-time high. We made this hourly CB, sell side inefficiency, buy side imbalance. We tap into it, make a daily SMT with ES, tap it one more time, go down, make another CB, go into it, go down. We had a really important BC here, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, right next to the July high, which was an important support level. We took support, we went up, go down. Now we have displaced through it. Why this is important? It's important because July high was an important support level which has been broken, and it was made with a CB, a BC, sorry. So whenever a price level is crossed with the fair value gap, we anticipate higher prices, but if that is broken down and we make an inversion fair value gap, I anticipate lower prices because that was an important fair value gap there. We tapped into an internal fair value gap, and now we are moving around this level. You might have noticed that I have noted down a lot of different price levels over here. The reason is that I believe that key round figures are really important for us to note down, because I have seen a lot of reversals on these points. Like somewhere at 2450 over here, we see a reversal. We see a reversal right exactly at this price. Then look at this. We see support on this level a lot. And when it is combined with the time cycles and all that, this becomes really powerful. So I noted down a few fair value gaps that were aligning with the key levels, and that also showed support overall through the run up. Let's suppose this fair value gap showed a support around a key level, went up. This fair value gap has not been touched yet, so that's an important draw liquidity for the algorithm to price back into, which comes right next to a really important price level, which is 23,500. This is the consequent encroachment, the CE, or the midpoint for 23,000 and 24,000. So it's really important. Price would draw down to this level, consolidate more, and then go down, or maybe go back up. So at the moment, my draw liquidity is this. Then I noted down this level, which aligns with 2300, another this level which aligns with 100, and of course our important price level 2300. So going into the week, I did not trade it on Monday because it was a no news Monday. I wanted to see how it all plays out, and it seemed that was a good idea because I've seen a lot of people posting their losses. This is something I put here because I see that the Thursday low has not been taken out by ES over here, but we also have a daily SMT with ES over here over Friday. Sorry, the Monday low has been taken out by ES but not by NASDAQ. So what can that be? I can expect the prices to go up into July high, and during the 9:30 open and 10 it can go down. That is what I'm thinking. But if it does not do that, I'm not mad about it. I'll see what happens overnight because who knows? Possibilities are endless. Anyways, we are at an important key level here, which is 750. We are consolidating, which means we can go up until 800 and then go down. So the week looks bearish to me. Order flow is bearish. We have been slowly going down. We will take out one of these buy sell liquidity and then go down. So we cannot really just keep going down one by one. We have to take out liquidities along the way to go down. Let's look at the previous week. Previous week we had set the stage at 600. We opened up on Monday, open, high, we went down low and we closed, right? Then we opened low, high, closed really high. Then we open, high, low, closed, open, low, high, closed. We opened high, low, closed. We open, low, open, we opened here, high, low, closed. Interesting. So we had a lot of opportunities for the buy side on Tuesday. Nah, on Monday I would have, I think I didn't trade it on Monday because the past few weeks I have not been trading Mondays for quite some time because Monday is always like really choppy. Like look at this Monday and then look at this Monday. I wouldn't trade in these environments. And then Tuesday looks really promising. Look at this. We had really good legs up. Even on Wednesday 9 a.m. opens, we had a really good push down. And then look at this 9 a.m. candle, beautiful buy side, beautiful sell side. We had many opportunities on this day. Even on Thursday, on 9 we had a really good sell. Friday I did not trade it, but it looks like it was choppy. It's a good idea I didn't trade. I'm not gonna do an in-depth review of the week of how many market maker models there were because honestly I traded only on one day and after that I didn't trade. But the next week is bearish according to me, and we'll see how it goes. I'll be posting regularly now.